Sir, it is a double acting reciprocating pump. It is called double acting because it has two inputs. Reciprocating pumps are of two types, single acting and double acting. In single acting, the supply is assumed that it is not there, so it becomes a single acting pump. But in the single acting, continuous supply is not there. As there are two pipes, in one stroke it will suck up the water, and in other stroke it will give the water back to the output. So it will be like that. It will suck water and then give output. The output will not be continuous. First stroke it will suck and then output. But in double acting reciprocating pump, it will in one stroke it will suck the water in the input, as simultaneously it will give in the output. And in the second stroke again, first stroke that I will show you. In first stroke it will suck from there and output will be here. And in the second stroke, input will be from here and the output will be from there. So there will be a continuous supply of water. And there are two types of pumps: centrifugal pumps and the reciprocating pump. In the centrifugal pump, the velocity of the water will be more and pressure will be less. But where the application for pressure is there, where pressure requirement is more, reciprocating pump is used. The disadvantage is that its velocity of water obtained from the output is very low, but pressure is very high. So it is used where the pressure of the liquid used will be high. And its components, I will show you the components. It is the crank. It works on the principle of crank and slider mechanism. It is the inversion of four-link mechanism of Thom theory of machines. It is the crank. It is the rotating part. It will in all the strokes, first and second stroke, it will move full cycle 360 degrees. It is the connecting rod. It is the slider is connected to the rubber piston. It is the pump. It is the for the links, number of links, I will say it is the first link, fixed link, this and this, all of it are fixed link. Second link is the crank. Third link is the connecting rod. Fourth link is the slider. And we have used non-return valve. You can see that here, so that the water will be sucked up but not go down. It is a one-way valve, non-return valve. Four valves are used here. Two small for input and two large for input and two small for output. Output pipe is very small so that the pressure will be high, and input pipes are large, so it will suck up more water.